Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making fisherman soup. It's so easy and super delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Here are my ingredients: fresh catfish and mackerel, dry catfish, prawns, periwinkle, peppers and onions, dry snails and achi for my thickener. First, I'm going to add seasoning cube to the fish, massage very well and set aside. Next, I will transfer my blended peppers and onions. Add enough water that will be enough for the soup. Add my well-washed dry catfish, grounded uzo seed, crayfish, dry snails, seasoning cubes and salt. I will mix very well. Cover and allow it to come to a boil. Few minutes later, I check on it and add my palm oil, achi for my thickener. I mix with water before adding to the soup. I will add the fresh catfish and mackerel fish. I will cover and allow it to cook for at least 6 to 8 minutes on a medium heat. Minutes later, I check on it and love the consistency. I will taste for salt. I added small amount of all-purpose seasoning. Next, I will add my fresh prawns and periwinkle. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Minutes later, our soup is almost ready. I will add my fresh baby spinach. Please add uzo leaves if you have. I will add more crayfish. Stir gently and we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.